Hey guys, Nick Gerosos, and welcome to Code Red Defense. I'm here with my business partner Patrick. We own the company together. We created it 5 years ago.
Yep.
And we got a question: is Nick, what's Code Red Defense? Who's it for? When we sat down, we created the system. We took almost a year to put together the videos, the drills, the training, and it took us almost another year, I think, to film everything.
Yeah.
And we had to think, okay, who is it for? It's, is it for a beginner? Yes. Is it for somebody who doesn't know any martial arts and wants to learn how to defend themselves? Yes. Is it for somebody who already trains and wants to improve their training? Yes. Could it be for a guy who does MMA and doesn't know how to train? Yes. It's all of the above. What we teach is actually very simple. It's personal protection. It's teaching men and women, even teenagers can use it, how to defend themselves efficiently, effectively. That the instant you watch the video, even if you don't do it, just watching it, you're going to learn from it. Because self-defense is supposed to be simple. And what I mean by simple, it shouldn't take years of training to learn how to pick up a chair and use it. A lot of times, what we focus on is, we have a video on awareness. A whole video on just awareness means when I'm faced with my attacker, what am I looking at? Where's his hands? Where is he moving? Is he angling off? Who's he looking at? We created drills, awareness drills to heighten those. We did videos on common attacks. What are some of the most common attacks in the street? Again, breaking it down, keeping it simple. We did a knife defense video, 3 hours long, breaking it down. A to Z, drills, scenarios, teaching. It's a system that we put together where we broke everything down to really teach you guys real effective self-defense that you can use to protect yourself and protect your loved ones. So, who's it for? Anybody who has the will, anybody who wants to empower them, anybody who wants to learn how to protect themselves and their families. And we're not the system to say we are the number one greatest system and everything else sucks. No, we don't want to build Code Red Defense that way. That means you can do other martial arts and come and take what you like and don't take what you don't like. You can take what you like and start using it in your training already. We're good with that. We don't have this ego where, you gotta say this is Code Red Defense and I'm Code Red. At the end, we're here to serve and help you guys and teach real self-defense. And I think this is what's made this channel such a huge success, is the fact that we keep it real. What we teach is based on experience. If I haven't experienced it, let me tell you, Patrick could attest for it, we test the shit out of it before we made these videos. We tested them with Rock, who's 6'6", coming at me, 350 pounds. We tested it with Sir Dan. We tested the shit. We took guys who never did martial arts, who were from the streets, in the videos to make it real and say, how would you attack me? So it was challenging. You could see some of the videos. I busted my ribs for 2 months. I couldn't film. And you guys see the videos that, these guys are not actors. They're actually, some of them are, real street guys. And it was challenging for me to make these videos, but it was an experience and a half. I learned a lot just by making those videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll put the link on the bottom for the complete package. I'm telling you guys, this is the best, self-defense material out there. So if you,
and what differs a lot from other self-defense systems is really the energy, the energy of the attacks. In our YouTube videos, obviously there is a little bit of energy, but in those videos, it's really high-level energies with helmets. They're really real full-out attacks where you can see that sometimes stuff can work maybe in a shorter, smaller scenario, but in a real-life attack, you have to adapt and go to other strategies. So that's what we worked on and made sure that you can get to learn from all these real attacks. So
that's true. We had a couple of guys who got concussions.
Yeah.
And again, that's what we wanted to bring. When Pat approached me, he goes, I want to make the best and most realistic self-defense videos. So that's what we did. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the videos. I hope you enjoyed what we've done. Go check out our website, CodeRedDefense.com. Share the videos, tell your friends about it, tell your family. Invest in the power of defending yourself. It's the most precious thing you have is your life. Learn how to protect it. It's your responsibility. It's not the police. It's not your neighbors. It's not your friend who's going to jump in. I tell people, shit hits the fan. You're going to be on your own. I know what to do. Do you know what you have to do? So stay safe, guys, and stand strong.